Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So Navratras are coming up soon. Let's make some new recipes, try out some new bhog for Mata Rani, because every day we would like to make some different bhog or prashad. So here is one quick recipe for you. If you have some carrots at home, you can easily make this. It requires just few ingredients. Let's make Gajar ka Sheera or carrot Sheera. This is not like the other halwa where we have to cook for a long time with milk, with mawa, but in a jiffy, in 10 minutes you can make this Gajar ka Sheera. So let's proceed to make this carrot Sheera. I've taken 4 carrots, medium sized ones, washed them very well. Then we have jaggery powder. This is organic jaggery powder, 4 tablespoons. You can use sugar also instead, but take little less quantity. Clarified butter or ghee, 2 tablespoons. Some sliced almonds and pistachios. Cardamom powder, 2 pinches. Salt, 1 pinch. And saffron, few strands. For your reference, the ingredients list also is shared in the description box. Now peel the carrots. Scrape them to remove the outer layer. In winter the carrots are sweeter. The sheera comes out much better with those winter carrots. This quantity makes 2 servings. 4 carrots, you can get 2 servings. Now the peeling is done. Cut them into chunks. You can just cut them into bigger chunks because we are going to pressure cook them anyways. This is a very quick and easy method of making carrot sheera. Sometimes such quick methods are really handy when we are short of time, when we have visitors. During festivities always people visit us and then we are in a hurry to do something very fast. This is one recipe you can make at that time. Now chopping is done. Transfer all these into a pressure cooker. Add about half cup of water. Close the lid and cook for about 3 whistles. Again, depending on the size of the chunks, if the chunks are larger, you can cook for 4 whistles. Now switch off the gas and allow the pressure cooker to cool before opening. The carrots are cooked very well. They are nice and soft. Now take a pan or a kadai, melt 2 tablespoons of ghee. Do not heat it too much, just melt it. And add cardamom powder, saffron strands and a pinch of salt, which is added to balance the flavors. Now dip in the boiled carrots Now the water that's left from boiling the carrots can be used in your gravies or kneading the dough. Do not discard it. All the nutrition of the carrots is there in the water. Now start sauteing the carrots. While you are doing this, keep mashing them with the back of the ladle. You have to continue doing this until the water is all absorbed and the carrots get a nice color. It forms into a mushy lump. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out any notifications. I keep sharing simple, homely and delicious recipes for all of you, so do not miss them. Continue doing this. Now you can see the carrots are very well mashed. Once you get the desired consistency, add the jaggery powder. I am adding 4 tablespoons of jaggery powder, organic jaggery powder. If you are adding sugar, add 3 or 3.5, depending on your taste. Continue stirring now. When the jaggery starts melting, there will be little bit of moisture. Continue to stir until that is completely dried up. Total process takes about 10 minutes. It's nearly done. Water is all absorbed by the carrots and the consistency also is perfect. You may add little more ghee if you wish, but I am not adding any more. Add some chopped pistachios and almonds and the sheera is ready. Quick and jhatpat sheera. Very delicious. Look at the lovely color and the consistency. So good. Absolutely divine. Not only during fasting days, but you can enjoy it anytime, whenever you like. As it's a quick and easy recipe, you can make it in a jiffy and enjoy. Thanks for watching and check out these videos from the archives as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.